Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2016 Infiniti QX60 that we have for sale. We acquired this one directly off lease from Infiniti Financial Services. It was a lease that was turned in our store. And when leases are turned in at our store, we have first dibs on buying them before they go to the auction or to the closed off-lease network for Infiniti and Nissan stores. Of course, this well-equipped QX60 local 100 clean Carfax, how could we not get this one for our inventory? Really nice color combination in Hermosa blue on graphite leather. We have the original build sheet on it. We can get you a copy or print you one up when you come in to visit. So some of the big ticket features, the 20-inch tire and wheel package, that really is a nice feature. It comes standard with 18-inch wheels, but the 20-inch wheels really look a lot better. It has the theater package, which is rear entertainment system. That has the 1850 option, and then another popular option package on this one is the driver's assistance package. That was a $1,700 option. And that gives you a lot of safety and driving aids like intelligent cruise control, which follows the flow of traffic on the highway, blind spot warning, backup collision intervention, which actually will hit the brakes if a vehicle drives past you or maybe a person walks past you while you're backing up, 4 front and 4 rear sonar sensors. Active trace control helps you rotate through the corners a little bit better by applying brake force to the individual wheels while cornering, just to help you go through those corners a little bit better. And it has an eco pedal, which gives you a little bit more resistance when pressing down on the gas, just to help you drive in a more economical type driving manner. This one also has heated seats. We have a drive mode selector, sport, standard, eco, and snow. So that makes changes to transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, and traction and stability control settings depending on the driving setting you have it set at. QX60s feature a CVT transmission, also known as continuously variable transmission. CVT transmissions are very good for improving fuel efficiency. They offer an almost infinite amount of gear ratios versus 5, 6, or 7 fixed gears like a lot of other automatic transmissions. So it has that perfect gear ratio for that given driving situation that you're in. Bose sound system for you music lovers. Definitely a great Bose audio system. Multi-zone climate control. You have dual zone in the front, rear climate control, of course navigation, rear parking camera, 360-degree or round view monitor. Infiniti was actually one of the first companies to offer a round view camera on a production automobile. Infiniti actually has been a lot of firsts with many different features and technology, and that's one of them. This one has 40,714 miles at the time of making this video. You have a power tilt telescoping steering wheel. The steering wheel is also heated. This one has all-season floor mats, Infiniti all-season floor mats, which fits perfectly, and they're almost a must. In our wet climate, carpeted floor mats have a tendency to get destroyed fairly quickly. And those are the upgraded 20-inch wheels. Really looks beautiful. Really makes the looks and lines of this vehicle. It makes a pretty dramatic difference going from the standard wheel and tire package versus these 20s, just the whole stance of the vehicle, the way it looks. If I bought one of these, I definitely want that 20-inch wheel and tire package. Second row seats are very comfortable. They slide back and forth. They recline. There is the rear entertainment system. Comes with wireless headphones and remote. You can also hook up like a video game system to the rear theater package. There's a conventional power outlet like you'd find in your house. And then we have additional inputs for headphones. There is a rear climate control. Third row seat's not too shabby as well. Power rear liftgate. Have a little bit of extra storage under here. There's the subwoofer for the Bose sound system. 12-volt power outlet here. These seats fold flat, and the second row seats fold fairly flat as well, if you need to maximize cargo space. 2016 is a great year for the QX60 because it got interior and exterior refreshing, looking better than ever. The front end was restyled, the rear end was restyled, the interior is slightly restyled. Most dramatic difference is probably on the front end. And really, there's not a big difference as the way they look from a 2019 or 2020. You could park this 2016 next to a brand new 2020 QX60 and you'd really have a hard time telling them apart because they look almost identical. HID lights provide outstanding nighttime visibility. You have a LED daytime running strip. The heart of the QX60 is the award-winning VQ35 engine. Makes 265 horsepower. This engine is very low maintenance. 105,000 mile first major tune-up thanks to platinum tip spark plugs. Has maintenance-free timing chains that don't need any replacement or adjustment. And those engines are designed to last 300,000 miles. And I can tell you I've seen many of those VQ engines go to 300,000 miles in trade-ins and vehicles in for service. And this one also features intelligent all-wheel drive. Great for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. When all-wheel drive is not needed, it will send 100% of the power to the front wheels. That helps improve fuel economy, and it helps a little bit with premature tire wear, which sometimes can be an issue of all-wheel drive vehicles. But this car is always monitoring driving conditions, so as soon as those front wheels slip, it can very quickly send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the rear wheels for excellent non-slip starts in wet, slippery conditions, and greatly improved traction in snowy conditions versus just a front-wheel drive version of this vehicle, which is standard on the QX60. Thanks for watching this video, and hopefully we'll see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.